Had to replace that. New one down there. Stuck. Made it off the highway. It was a pain in the ass. New pulley, new serpentine belt. Let's see if this bad boy start up. Wash your fingers. Bust my hands all up. Look at it. Whew. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like an engine light. What the hell? Got it running. Woo. Look at the belt. Look at the old belt pop. Back up. Yeah. All right. Yeah, it's lit. You know what I mean? Still out here, man. It's holding up. Broke down on me twice though, man. Look at me. Messing my new jacket up. It's holding up. You know what I mean? It's gonna be worth it. I'm gonna have this rig looking nice. We're gonna get some snow action in a minute, you know what I'm talking about? Next stop. Let y'all see what it is out here and all that. This ain't it. Oh shit, slow down. And they're doing a bean in this joint.